AI in 2026 looks very different from what many people first experienced with ChatGPT. AI is no longer just something we ask questions to. It is becoming part of how we write, research, analyze, automate, and make decisions at work. In the early days, most people used AI like a chatbot. We typed a question, and AI gave an answer. Then people started using AI for productivity, emails, summaries, reports, slides, ideas. In 2026, the bigger shift is this. AI is starting to connect with tools, workflows, and business processes. That is why the AI landscape now feels crowded. You hear names like ChatGPT, Copilot, Gemini, Claude, Perplexity, DeepSeek, Canva AI, Power Automate, N8N, and many more. The important thing is not to memorize every tool. The important thing is to understand what each category is for. Malaysia is also moving in this direction. AI is not only a technology topic anymore. It is becoming a workforce topic, a business topic, a governance topic, and a national digital skills topic. This matters because AI skills are becoming relevant across many industries, not only for tech people. For students, AI can support learning and research. For employees, it can help with documents, emails, analysis, and meetings. For SMEs, it can support marketing, customer service, and operations. For managers, AI becomes part of productivity, strategy, and team transformation. So the new AI skill stack is not just prompt engineering. First, understand AI. Then learn how to prompt properly. Then apply AI to daily work. After that, learn how to automate repeated tasks. And only when the foundation is clear, explore AI agents safely. Please remember this. Do not chase every AI tool. There will always be another new tool. The better question is, what problem are you trying to solve? Writing, research, office productivity, workflow automation, business strategy. Start from the use case, not the tool. This series is designed to give you a clear foundation for AI in 2026. We will look at the tool landscape, the difference between chatbots and agents, how AI applies to work, what risks to avoid, and how to decide what to learn next. Free videos help you understand. Hands-on classes help you apply. After watching this series, visit the aihq.net/shop to choose the learning path that fits your current level and your work needs.